Hello friends, on this video how you can use your back button. Suppose you want to use like this back button, but there's no back button on your screen and you are too difficult how you can set through setting. You don't know where to click and where to go. That's why you can on YouTube, then you can watch till end this video so that you can understand more about the gestures. Okay, so first of all, move on setting. From here you just keep scrolling, and when we are solving this problem, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here tap on system, then after that you have to click on the system navigation, the third icon. Then the first option you are going to find under the system navigation is gesture navigation. I think yes, here is the button has been removed. I think you are using right now this one, and if you want to use, then you can use this first icon. And if you want to use the button navigation, then here's the three button navigation. So here button will be shown. Okay, so this is how you can use your button navigation, and if you want more information about it, then tap on more setting, and from here you can choose your layout. Example like this, back button should be left or right. Okay, you can choose this one. Even you can use this voice assistant also, but right now I cannot use because I am using screen recorder, so it cannot be activated. And if you want to activate, then it says to activate voice assistant, press and hold the home button. You have to press and hold your home button. If you don't believe, then I just press on it, and here it says you are using another microphone. That's why. Okay, it cannot use, I cannot show you the voice assistant. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.